This is Tony, Educational Institute of Technology. Here I'm gonna show you basic idea on C language. This tutorial is about how programmer creates a simple multiple choice questions or application software by using if-else-if statement or logical functions. Let's go on step by step. First with the header file #include stdio.h. This means to perform input and output operations in our C program, we need to import the stdio.h or standard input output header file to our program. So we understand that this is the header file. So number 2, we have #include conio.h. It is the header file used in C and C++ and includes the inbuilt functions like getch and clr-str. So we'll see later on about clr-str and getch, which is at the bottom of the screen. So this is the getch. We'll check later on how it functions. So we have come to the conio.h. full form, it stands for console input output. That is, it takes input from the keyboard and display it on the screen. Void main, it indicates that the main function will not return any value. This means that the void main, without the void main, the program cannot be executed or put into effect. So here we have the curly brace. We have two types of curly brace. One is open curly brace and last we have close curly brace. So curly brace is used defined as start and end of the code. So here we have int and choice. Int stands for integer. We are talking about numbers, that's why we're using int. Int is also a data type. I guess you've heard in SQL about int. Okay, now we have choice. Choice is a variable name. You can put any variable name. So here we are talking about options, and the other name of options is you can give as choice also is okay. So here we have clr-str. clr-str is the clear screen. This functions is used to clear the previous output from the console printf. Okay, we'll check how it clears later on about these functions printf. So here we have 6 printf or 6 statement. So let's see here this about what. So here is just the header, it's just like a title. So here we understand that it is about multiple choice, choose the correct answer. And note we have 1 and 2. You have to press 1 or 2 and then press enter in order to get the answer. So this is the question. Number A, dash is an output device. So we have two options. Number 1 is either mouse or speaker. So after running the program, you have to choose any one option, either 1 or number 2. So we'll check later on about that. So now we have come to the scanf function. So what does it do? Scanf function. Scanf functions allows you to accept input standard, which for us is generally the keyboard. And here why we are using %d, because the format of int is %d. You cannot give a, b, c rather than d. Or for example, A for apple. Okay, and choice, why do you use this sign, ampersand sign? Because it allows you to accept input standard, which is the keyboard entered by the user. Okay, as you and one more thing, that each and every statement must end with a semicolon. these are semicolon, except for the conditions there is no semicolon. So here we come to important part of the program. By using four logical conditions using if else if statement. Let's understand first why there is two equal sign. The equal to operator returns true if both operands have the same values, otherwise it returns false. Two equal signs is to show the equality between values. Okay, firstly, if choice is equal to 0, that means invalid choice, and we have to select either number 1 or number 2, because here given 1 is mouse or number 2 is speaker. We have only two options. And second option, if choice is equal to 1, if we run the program, if you press 1 from the keyboard, you will get answer, wrong answer, because the correct answer is speaker, because speaker is an output device. Okay, choice number 3, if choice is equal to 2, see here we have given number 2 as the correct answer because speaker is an output device. So if you press enter from keyboard, you will get correct answer. And lastly, if choice is equal to 3, again invalid choice because we have only two options, either 1 or 2. Okay, let's try running the program. First we'll enter 0 and press enter, we'll get answer as invalid choice because there are only two options, either 1 or number 2. Okay, we'll run again. So if you give 1 and press enter, you get wrong answer because the right answer is number 2. Okay, we'll run again. So if you press 2, you'll get the correct answer because we have set 2 as the correct answer. So if you run again, if you enter 3 and press enter, you'll get again invalid choice because number 1 and number 2 is the correct options. So thanks for watching, and I guess you have gained something from this tutorial. See you on the next video.